This video explains the tutorial for wirelessly connecting the CINENORM series monitor to a Sony A7R IV camera via Wi-Fi. Before starting the connection, the camera needs to be set up. Click the menu button to open the menu. Select Network 1. Choose Control with Smartphone. Set Control with Smartphone to On. Select Connection. Click the Delete button. And view and note down the camera's SID password. Next, proceed with the connection on the monitor. Tap the screen to bring up the menu, then tap the external device connection icon. Click Wi-Fi and turn on Wi-Fi. In the Add New Device section, select the camera device and enter the correct password. Click OK to complete the connection. Click REC to start or stop recording. Tap the focus button to enable camera focus. Tap Iris to adjust the aperture size. Tap Shutter to adjust the shutter speed. Tap ISO to adjust the sensitivity. Tap Camera Mode to change the camera shooting mode. Tap WB to adjust the white balance mode. When the white balance mode is set to K, tap CT to adjust the color temperature. When ISO is set to Auto, tap EV to adjust the exposure compensation. Tap the video bitrate and frame rate option to change the recording bitrate and frame rate. This concludes the tutorial for wirelessly connecting the CINENORM series monitor to a Sony A7R IV camera via Wi-Fi.